wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 5 best hydraulic robotic arms. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5, we'll warn you up front, putting together the Discovery Kids DIY will likely teach children some new 4-letter words in addition to the fundamentals of hydraulics, as it can be very frustrating indeed, but it's satisfying and a lot of fun once you're finished. It makes an attractive display model, but the parts often pop off, and it tends to leak fluid. At number 4, as the name suggests, the teachergeek Advanced isn't something a small child is likely to be able to put together on their own, so be prepared to pitch in. However, once you've got it figured out, you'll find that it's one of the most versatile machines on the market. It's compatible with recycled components and can be programmed to arm wrestle, though it is on the expensive side. Coming in at number 3 on our list, the Pitsco T-Bot 2 can be operated by one person or teams of 2, making it perfect for in-class group projects. Very little is required to put it together, just some glue, scissors, and a screwdriver. You have to provide all that yourself though. It includes a challenge activity guide and syringes that are ideal for small hands, but it requires quite a bit of patience. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hydraulic robotic arms, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, made of pre-cut plywood, the Marble's Wonderology isn't rough and tumble enough to survive much abuse, but the low price tag should help make up for that. Assembly takes about an hour, which is sufficient to keep kids engaged without overwhelming them with complexity. It requires minimal adult assistance and rotates 90 degrees. All the necessary components are included. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Circuit Test Edge isn't something you can put together in a few minutes, but any time and energy you spend assembling it will be well rewarded. It has an extensive reach, both horizontally and vertically, to go along with a powerful gripper and suction apparatus. It features levers with a braking system, transparent cylinders, and picture-based instructions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hydraulic robotic arms, or simply click beneath this video.